link, no,
Ah,
ma'am. In that, only I think chemistry in everyday life. When I saw it was only chemistry and those related haloalkanes and all were not there, ma'am.
no,
Is it
other
like
children are getting other
No.
children.
Yes,
No?
Hello are in sixth.
yes,
Yeah. So then
yes,
ask
ma'am.
them, Naomi how they are getting. Okay.
ma'am?
Others are getting.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. You ask them.
Ma'am, I have added that to description, group description, the link.
I don't know, Kirtana. You ask other children, they will direct you. Okay. How
Yes.
other children are getting, na? You ask them. Huh?
Ma'am, I got. I'm just telling the others who are not getting. I've added the link to the description
Ah.
so they can access it from
Okay,
there.
they can. Now you are getting, na, Kirtana?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. So, okay. You heard Naomi, Kirtana. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, ask Kirtana. Okay?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next conversion. Next conversion, which one, children, we did last? Which one we did last? Benzyl alcohol to 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Sixth one, no? We did sixth one, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, seventh. Ethanol to propane nitrile. See, nitrile means CN group. Okay. So, ethanol, you know that. CH3, CH2, OH. How to write propane nitrile? There will be 3 carbon. Okay. Third carbon is CN. Nitrile means CN. So, propane nitrile is CH3, CH2, CN. Understood? How to write the structure? This is propane nitrile. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Conversion, it is easy. You know that conversion. Say OH, you will convert it to Cl, right? And then alcoholic ACN, you will convert. Isn't it? So, CH3, CH2, OH, PCl5. You convert it into first chloride. And Cl to Cn, alcoholic KCl. CH3, CH2, Cl. Okay? So, right. Only 21. 3 are absent. Who are the absentees? Shashank? Who all are absent? Abhishek is there? Abhishek, and then who else? One more absentee. Abhishek. Jay, Agnel is there? Agnel?
Yes,
Agnel present?
Jay is there.
Jay, then who is absent? Abhishek and Pankaj? Okay. Find out who are the absentees. I have to give the attendance list. Arbaz, Abhishek, and Shashank. One more is there, isn't it? Arbaz, Abhishek. Who is the third one? Idris is not there. Oh, just now Idris came. Okay. Okay, this is done. Aniline to chlorobenzene. Who will tell me?
Sandmeyer's method.
Very good. So aniline to chlorobenzene. So first you will convert. You will do as homework. Aniline to chlorobenzene. It is given in the book. First you will convert aniline to benzene diazonium chloride and then Sandmeyer reaction. Okay, hint I gave. Do it as homework. Is it okay? Okay, so this is a direct question. You do as homework. How you will do? Aniline, you will convert it into benzene diazonium chloride and benzene diazonium chloride, cuprous chloride and HCl. That is Sandmeyer reaction. You do yourself as homework. The next one is 2-chlorobutane 2-chlorobutane. So CH3, CH2, CHCl. This 2 3,4 dimethyl hexane. So hexane. So you will put a 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you will put the substituent. Substituent they are saying 3,4 dimethyl. So 3, 1 dimethyl, 4, 1 methyl group. So this, how do you convert? This is the compound. Tell me, how do you convert? Any idea? Look at the compound.
Ma'am, isn't it 2-chlorobutane?
2-chlorobutane only. See,
Oh, we're taking.
uh,
Okay.
on the second carbon only I put the chlorine. Na? So children, tell me, what is Ruchi, Varshini, Anand, Vishnu, Priya, Varsha? Can anybody say? How will you convert this? Look at the compound and tell me. Anybody?
Ma'am, is it Wurtz reaction?
Yes. Who is that?
Ma'am, Ruchi.
Yes, Ruchi. Very good. It's Wurtz reaction. Okay, isn't it? So how to do that? We will see. It is Wurtz reaction. So for this, I have to write this. Again, 2-chlorobutane I will write. Okay. So here, 2 molecules of 2-chlorobutane. Isn't it? CH, Cl this side, CH3 here. Like this we should write. You can write anyway, CH3 there and Cl there or anyway. Have you understood this? And 2Na, again, second molecules here, Cl near, then only we can show the elimination, isn't it? CH3, CH2, CH3. So, NaCl is eliminated, you got the compound CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. Understood? It's Wurtz reaction. Only thing that Cl near sodium you keep. So Wurtz reaction, don't forget to write ether. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write it down. Any doubt? Prashant, understood? Okay. So have you written? I will rub it off. We'll go to the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is 2-methyl 1-propene. Okay, so two methyl 1-propene to 2-chloro 2-methyl propene. So 2-chloro 2-methyl propane, isn't it? 2-chloro propane. This you will tell me. Tell me first. Tell me, children. You look at both. What is added?
HCl.
HCl is added. Abhishek, why are you late? Half an hour. You are half an hour late. Why are you coming late? Okay, so this is addition of HCl, Markovnikov, isn't it? So Cl will come here, H will come here. Addition of HCl according to Markovnikov's addition of HCl. Yes, Prashant, Markovnikov's addition of HCl. Okay, done? Okay, so next. Next one. Ethyl chloride to propanoic acid. Ethyl chloride to propanoic acid. CH3, CH2C. When propanoic acid, nitrile, CN and all comes, first carbon will be that. Okay. So children, sometimes they write the propanoic acid. They count like this. Don't do that. This COH is also counted as number of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is butanoic acid. Okay. Now conversion, tell me.
Alcoholic KCN.
You have to convert it into alcoholic KCN. Anand, is that Anand?
In alcoholic KCN, then we have to use water. In presence of water, convert into.
Very good. That is it. Yesterday I said in a CN group hydrolysis. Water in presence of mineral acid. Isn't it, Anand? You will get CN will be converted to COOH. So that is it. Anand correctly said. CH3, CH2, Cl. Alcoholic KCN. You convert it into CH3, CH2, Cl. Again here, this is propane nitrile. I told you that this is carbon 1, 2, 3. And now hydrolysis. Here we have to put H plus. You will get CH3, CH2, COOH. Okay, written. We'll go to the next.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, next one, butyl to butyl iodide. Butyl, CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH2. To normal means one iodo butane. You said how you will do?
Ma'am,
Ah,
Finkelstein reaction.
very good. Priyanka, Finkelstein. When iodine comes, you have to do Finkelstein reaction. First convert it into bromoethane, HBr or HCl. You will convert it to CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br. Peroxide is required, isn't it? So peroxide, anti-Markovnikov, and then Finkelstein, NaI and acetone. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2I. When iodine comes, go through Finkelstein. Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next one is 2-chloropropane to propanol. This is easy. 2-chloropropane to propanol. How you will do, children? First we have to chloropropane we have to make, isn't it? So this is chloropropane means on the first carbon chlorine should come. Then aqueous NaOH you will get a propanol, right? So to make it in carbon 1, what we have to do? We have to eliminate and then add HCl. You agree? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will first eliminate. We don't want chlorine here. We want chlorine here. So we eliminate CH3CHCl, CH3. What is the reagent? Alcoholic KOH. So I will get a CH3CH double bond CH2. Now I will add HCl in presence of peroxide. So I will get CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Now Cl to OH means aqueous, NaOH or KOH. So I will get CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Tell me when you finished writing. Any doubt you can ask, otherwise tell me when you finish. Agnel is there? Agnel, are you writing down?
Yes, ma'am.
Jay? Abhishek? Jay is present?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you written, children? Have
Wait,
you
ma'am.
written? Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Okay. Next one is not there. Next one is isopropyl alcohol. You will learn in next chapter. So don't learn now. Iodoform reaction. That will be next chapter you will learn. Okay. So 14 you leave. 15. 15 chlorobenzene to paranitrophenol. Chlorobenzene. To paranitrophenol. So here chlorine is orthopara directing first nitrate and we will get paranitrochlorobenzene. Okay. Nitration, concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. You nitrate and get it. So one group we got, NO2. Now this chlorine should go and OH should come, nucleophilic substitution reaction. So we learned that.
NaOH will be added now.
NaOH, it is you have to undergo
Yes,
the
ma'am.
condition, Gauss process.
433 Kelvin.
433 because nitro group is there. Otherwise 623 Kelvin, isn't it? And so 300 atmosphere, that is Gauss process if nitro is not there. If one nitro group is there, NaOH, 443 Kelvin, one more is there, H plus, right? Gauss process you put H plus also. So you will get. So then Cl will be converted to OH. Doubts you can ask? Done? Written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one we have done a number of times. Still I am writing because this is a repeated question. Next one, 2-bromopropane. So you have to tell me. You will be knowing. So many we did. 2-bromopropane,
KOH.
1-bromopropane. So I am writing again because it is that important. So we want to bromine here. So what we will do? We will eliminate HBr and add HBr, isn't it? So I'm writing this again. CH3, CH, Br, CH3. I want here Br. So I will eliminate. Eliminate means alcoholic KOH. So I will get CH3, CH, double bond CH2. Now I will add HBr here. I want here Br means peroxide. Any doubt? So this is so many we did, same similar type of the chlorine and bromine. This is a repeated question. Any doubt you can ask. This is how many times we did. Tell me after writing. Then only I can continue.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay. So next one, chloroethane to butane. What's the reaction? You have already done, isn't it? And even benzene to biphenyl. Previous page we have done. That is also benzene to biphenyl. What is the name of the reaction? Benzene to biphenyl, phytic reaction. Isn't it? So benzene to biphenyl, first you will chlorinate and get chlorobenzene. We have done in the previous page. So chlorobenzene, once you get, then phytic reaction, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am not doing that again. And the last one, aniline to phenyl isocyanide, you will learn in so nitrogen compound. So you don't have to learn now. Okay, the 20th one, last one. And the 19th one I will do, tertiary butyl bromide. It is the 19th one, tertiary butyl bromide to isobutyl bromide. And 17, 18 you will do as homework, and Wirtz reaction and phytic reaction. And first for benzene, you convert it into chlorobenzene and phytic reaction. Now 19th, I'm going to do the 19th one. So tertiary butyl bromide. See, tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide to isobutyl bromide. How do you write iso? Look here. Iso group is this. Immediately you put iso group. This is iso group. Butyl means 1, 2, 3. One more. So this is isobutyl bromide. All of you understood how to write isobutyl bromide. Any doubt on that? Iso, this group you will write and count the number of carbon. If it is butyl, if it was isopropyl means directly you can put the bromine here. They said butyl, means one more carbon is there. Understood? Now, once you wrote the structure, once you write the structure, you will understand. Now here the same. How do you do this, children? We will eliminate and then add, isn't it? We will eliminate HBr and then add HBr.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will take the starting CCH3, CH3, CH3, Br, alcoholic KOH. So I will eliminate. So I am going to write CH3, this CH3 here, double bond CH2. You understood? This step you understood? Elimination. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how do we add, children? We want here. Is it Markovnikov's or anti-Markovnikov's?
Anti-Markovnikov.
Very good. HBr peroxide, isn't it? So this becomes CH3C, CH3H, CH2Br. Correct? Who left? Idris is there? Abhishek? Pankaj? Who left? 22 only now. One student left. Is it Bharati? All these are not there. Pankaj, good. Abhishek? Bharati?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Then who left? Idris, good. Abhishek. Abhishek left. Kept the phone and left, Abhishek. Okay, after you finish, tell me.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so the conversions, we finished the conversions. So the conversions, so that is why even though it took 3 days, I did exercise myself in the class, understood why I did it. These are very important, so that is why. So you practice. Are you comfortable with the conversions now? How many of you are comfortable with the conversions? Anand? Okay.
Ma'am, not completely. I have to practice a little
Who
more.
is this?
Kirtana.
Kirtana, you have to practice. Reactions, if you know, some children are mostly sort of, you have to. Anand, what is that sign? I am not able to understand. Are you comfortable with the conversions? Are you thorough with the chapter? See, Saturday it will be subjective. This chapter I cannot give objective. Okay, Saturday test is there. And what, Anand, what is the sign? I don't understand. Anand, switch on the mic.
I'm comfortable with it.
So that is the sign for comfortable.
Raising hand.
Okay, so that is it. Now practice, children. And so many days I spend on exercise alone. So next question. Okay, 10.2. This is a give reason question. The treatment of alkyl chlorides with aqueous KOH lead to the formation of alcohols. But if alcoholic KOH, alkenes are the product. Explain. You understood the question? You understood? Same haloalkane. Suppose I take chloroethane. Okay, so they are saying chloroethane with aqueous NaOH, you get ethanol. With alcoholic NaOH, you get ethene. Why? With aqueous NaOH, nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place. But same NaOH, if alcohol is added, elimination takes place. Can you tell me why? That is,
20th question.
yeah, 10.20.
Can you explain that again?
You read
Like the question.
Read the question. All of you read the question. Okay, so they are saying, suppose the same alkyl halide, means suppose I take a chloroethane. If I add aqueous NaOH, a nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place and alcohol you will get ethanol. Same chloroethane, if I add alcoholic AOH, elimination reaction takes place and you will get ethene. That is what we are learning now for elimination alcoholic KOH. And KOH is the same. For nucleophilic substitution, aqueous KOH. Can you tell me why this is happening? The reagent is NaOH or KOH. Only difference, we add water, then we get aqueous NaOH. If we add alcohol, we get alcoholic NaOH. You understood? Question you understood? Tell me the reason. Can you tell me the reason? Can anybody? Ruchi?
Ma'am, is it because it reduces the OH character, basic character?
Yes. Why it is reduces? Who is that? Who said? Very good answer. Who said?
Chinmaya, ma'am.
Chinmaya. It reduces the basic character. How? Which reduces the basic character? Two cases are there, na? Aqueous NaOH and alcoholic NaOH. Which reduces basic character? Vishnupriya? Okay. Nobody knows? No, Saurav. It is opposite. Okay, the one point which Chinmaya said, suppose you take aqueous NaOH. Okay, what is the character of bases? Bases will eliminate. Elimination is the characteristic of bases. Okay, Now, when we take NaOH is a base. When we take aqueous NaOH, that is aqueous. When you add water, that is first thing is it will split into Na plus and OH minus. In water, the ionization is more, so you will get OH minus, and at the same time, when water is added, it is solvated. So the solvated OH minus is a strong nucleophile. Okay, so that is why nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place. When we add alcohol to NaOH, then the ethoxide ion will be formed. Ethoxide ion, sodium ethoxide, that is a very strong base, and that will eliminate. So bases normally they eliminate. So that is the reason. Have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write down the answer. I will dictate. See, when you treat a haloalkane, with aqueous alkali, the aqueous KOH they said in the question. When you treat aqueous KOH, they said specifically, when you treat a haloalkane with aqueous KOH, KOH is completely ionized. KOH is completely ionized. And OH minus ion is solvated. OH minus ion is solvated. So it acts as a strong nucleophile. It is solvated, so it acts as a strong nucleophile. The solvation reduces the basic character of OH minus. Solvation reduces the basic character of OH minus. So that much written. Alcoholic KOH has ethoxide ion. Alcoholic KOH has ethoxide ion. Which is a strong base. Ethoxide ion, which is a strong base. They said alkyl chlorides, which is a strong base which eliminates HCl. Which is a strong base and eliminates HCl, and an alkene is formed. Eliminates HCl and an alkene is formed. Any doubt on this? Have you understood? Then we will move to the next question. 10.22, last is a homework. Last is a homework because it is easy. 10.22 is a homework. I will do 10.21. Any doubt? We will do the 10.21. So today we are finishing with the haloalkanes and aryl halides, haloarenes. 10.22 is a homework. Clear? So 10.21 I am doing. Okay? Okay. So 10.21, primary alkyl halide C4H9Br reacts with alcoholic AOH. It reacts with alcoholic AOH, lead to the alcoholic AOH to give compound B. It is a problem, organic problem. B reacts with HBr to give C, which is an isomer of A. When A reacts with the sodium metal, it gives compound D, C8H18, which is different from the compound formed when normal butyl bromide reacts with the sodium. You have to identify. Give the structural formula of A and write all the equations. So, it is a primary alkyl halide and with 4 carbon. So, what we understood, primary alkyl halide with 4 carbon is bromobutane, isn't it? And they said there is an isomer also. And it is not bromobutane because the last sentence in organic word problems, somewhere they give the hint. So they gave, you see the sentence, when in between, when A reacts with the sodium metal, gives a compound C8H18, which is different from the compound formed when normal butyl bromide reacts with the sodium. You understood? That is the first hint. Okay, so that means our C4H9Br is not bromobutane. It is an isomer. At the same time, it is a primary alkyl halide. So we will try to write the structure. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah,
could you tilt the screen a bit down, ma'am?
okay.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, C4H9Br. It is a primary alkyl halide. So first thing come to our mind is this CH2Br. But this is not there. In between they said, Wurtz reaction you get a product which is not obtained from this. That means it is an isomer. Primary means we cannot touch here. So this is the compound. You agree? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the compound. All of you understood why I said that? Because they said in the middle, they said, Wurtz reaction product is not from normal butyl bromide. So first compound is out. And then at the same time, it is a primary alkyl halide. That means CH2Br is there. So the isomer, possible isomer is this. What is the name? Isobutyl bromide. Or you can say 2-methyl bromopropane. Understood? So we identified A is 2-bromo. This is A. 2-methyl bromobutane or 1-bromo 2-methyl butane. You can say that way. 1-bromo 2-methyl butane. All of you understood? This is compound A. Now we just have to write the reactions. Any doubt you ask? Otherwise, I will write the reactions. Clear? So this is A. So I am writing A here. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, Br. Now which all reactions they asked? This reacts with alcoholic KOH to give the compound B. So first reaction, alcoholic KOH. Okay. So alcoholic KOH. So this is carbon containing. This is beta. So here, isn't it? So you will get CH3C, CH3 double bond CH2. So the first compound B reacts with alkyl. So A, this is A. A reacts and you will get a B, right? Now they say B reacts with HBr to give an isomer. So it reacts with HBr. So HBr, Markovnikovs. They didn't say peroxide. So it will come here. This is again an isomer of A, right? So this is C. This is an isomer of A. This much right? Now we have to write Wirtz reaction. That's it. Have you understood? Write this much. One, can it be? Which one? First one. 1 bromo, 2 methyl. That only. That only I wrote. Na? First one is 1 bromo, 2 methyl propane. Correct. Okay. Okay. So, Wirtz reaction you will write as homework because time is up now. So, last reaction is Wirtz reaction. You will do as homework, children? This much clear? Okay. So, then remaining. So, exercise done. Tomorrow we will do the first volume, that metallurgy chapter. Okay. So, complete the exercise. Any doubt you can ask tomorrow? Bye, children.